Hello friends, in this video I want to fix the filter for the max price, and also I want to add the filter in the home page, because now we have a filter here but we don't do anything. We just make a get request to the add listing road with a title. So we need to go to VS Code, and first of all I want to add in the home page the filter. So for that, if you go in the views and add listings, here we have the header. I'm going to copy the header and paste that in the mine hero. So select all here and paste that one, hit save, and now in the add listings we remove that header and pass the component mine hero. So x mine hero, hit save and refresh. Now in the home page we have the categories here, but we don't have the JavaScript. For that we need to cut this from the add listings and hit save, and I'm going to put in the mine layout. So in the layouts, mine layout here, after the livewire scripts, I'm going to add that, hit save and refresh. If I make a filter now, we navigate to the add listings road with the filter category ID and the country ID. I choose category ID 2, and but if I choose 1 and 2, okay, we have one. Cool. Now we need to add the max price here. For that, first we need to go in the mine layout, in the mine hero first. Here we have a price, and I'm going to add ID for the max price, and I'm going to add a name as well, max price. Hit save, close this one, and in the mine layout we need to make a var for the max price and get element by ID max price again, and the same thing, just copy, paste that, if the max price length, and here we can say max price, max price like this. If you go to the Spatie Laravel query builder filter and scope filters, okay, here we have. So we need to create something like that in our model, so in the listing model in our case. Open the listing model, and I'm going to paste that in. Make sure you import the builder here, and just need the max price here, and I'm going to say max price, but not in the carbon, just like this, and query where price is small than max price. Okay, and we can add in the allowed filters array, so copy, and we need to go listing controller and add it here. I'm going to separate that. And here we can say max price. Hit save. And refresh. Okay, if I type the price and filter, max price. Oh yeah, in the listing I need to add the max price, then the refresh, and now put the price. $1,000, and nothing happened. So first I'm going to remove that selected category and country. So in the front end and mine hero, I'm going to make an option for the selected with a value nothing, and I'm going to say choose the same thing for the category. Hit save and come here and refresh, and now if I filter, yeah, we have all listings because we don't have any filter. But if I choose electronics filter, yeah, we have that filter. If I choose the max price now, filter, and why we don't add the max price, I don't see why. Max price and nothing happened. If I put the max price, my layout, okay, yeah, we need to change this to be max price. Save and now refresh again, put the max price, and yeah, we have the max price. Now if I choose for the category, if I search by title, and so if I search for title, then this now has the Nostrum has the category with ID of with ID 2, and I choose the ID 1. Filter, we don't have any, but if I put that and with ID 1, with ID 2, sorry, and now we display that. Okay, the max price is where price is small than the max price. So why we don't display that? We need to display all the fields that is smaller than 1000. So if I put, nothing happened, and to choose this value, and we have only that venue. If I choose this value, now we have 2, but we have the Veniam and Nostrum, but if I choose 9, 5, now we have 3. But why if we have 1000, I'm going to see that, so I think we make the filter to look good. So if I go and filter now, we go back to the old listings without any filter, because we don't choose any. If I choose only the category, and I'm going to say here choose or categories better. So if I go in the main hero, we have a category, I'm going to say categories, and here the countries. Save and refresh. Now here we can select the country and filter only by the country. Okay, hope you enjoy, friends, and see you in the next one. All the best.